All right, guys, so welcome to Byrider of Madison. Just giving you a quick walkthrough of our dealership. This is the front entrance. Right here, going through these main doors, we have sales. Service, you'll see, is over here. Big banner that says service. Get a little peek there. All right, so when you're walking in for sales, this is where you're gonna go. Got some fine automobiles greeting you here at the door. All right. Got our sign, hours of operation there. Walking in. All right, so here we have our lobby. We have our wonderful receptionist, Sally. Say hi, Sally. Hi. So this is where, obviously, we'd have you hang out before, and then we have the sales floor here, the showroom. Got some, usually we have another vehicle in here, but we've got a nice Jeep Grand Cherokee. And then down this way, we have our facilities if you need to use them. Down this way. And then if you're thirsty, we got some water. So that's the walk through the dealership by Byrider Madison. Give us a call, 608-663-1213.